Hand watering can play a vital role in helping establish a new garden and in keeping our container plants looking lush and healthy during those hot summer months. And when it comes to hose storage, well, I reckon I've found the perfect solution. Holman retractable hose reels are a practical and stylish option to removing untidy hose clutter from your outdoor living space. Available in 10, 20 and 30 metre units, they're ideal for backyards, courtyards and patios of all sizes. The retractable case protects your hose from the harsh Australian sun, helping prolong its life by stopping it from splitting and cracking. The locking mechanism allows you to stop the hose at the exact length you need and simply rewinds when you're finished. I've chosen to go with the 20 metre model, which is ideal for the average yard. And each Holman hose has a high kink resistance to save those frustrating moments. They also come with a 7-function gun. Centre, flat, jet. There's a whole range of options, and if you're looking to water a larger garden area, or maybe an area of turf or lawn, simply disconnect the handgun and connect a Holman hose end sprinkler. The 180-degree wall mount positions the unit up off the ground, making it ideal for small courtyards or balconies. If you're renting or prefer not to drill holes, the portable handcart is a great go-anywhere option. A bit of hand watering at the end of the day, it's an ideal way to connect with your garden. And with a retractable hose, it makes it all the more relaxing.